Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and now I am on Telegram channel. You can search here Sheri SK official, and here is 42 subscriber, and I will provide first notification here for any videos or any update data. So today I have CVs bundle. Here is 3 different format: Illustrator, MS Word, Lightos. Here is Photoshop, PSD files, and total file resolution property is 1.42 GBs. Here is Illustrator files, total CVs. Here is 5 files. You can import in Adobe Illustrator and put your own photo or any detail. Simply means all files are editable. And here is MS Word files. So I have no MS Word installed right now, so you can edit it on MS Word. And last is Photoshop. Here is 42 different design and different color. Wow. For example, I drag this file to Adobe Photoshop, and you see we can change any shape color. Here is red color, but we can change it, and these files are in CMYK color. Select here, double click here, write any select any color. Okay, and the same color is here. Select this color and this color, so you can change every color. Okay, and here is graphic, WordPress. You can import or depend your own choice, your scale, on depend your own scale. Here is 90, and you put enter. Select this box. Oh, okay. Sorry, select this, and you can drag any there if you want. Okay, simply these files are full editable. Here is background. Opacity is down, or depend your own choice. Here is white, dark, or okay. So you can make more better. Here is image option. We need image, and I drag this file. Simply drag there, and right click, create clipping mask or photo in circle. So press shift. Okay, so our CV is ready. You can add anything: project manager, graphic designing, CSS, JavaScript, WordPress, Flash, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and you can put and up down. Okay, so same files are here. Relink, cancel. Okay, you see first I think this color is better. Okay, and same color is here. same here, and red there, red here and red here, and blue is top here. Import your own photo, and last is background color, depend your own choice, or you can apply gradient overlay. Wow, you see our CV color. So last I import any photo, for example like this, drag there, and our CV is ready. So I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me and subscribe here on Telegram. So take care, Allah Hafiz.